Hello friends, I'm Karishma Kalsara, microbiology lecturer at Sri Sajanand Institute of Science and Technology, Akwada Bhavnagar. Today's our topic is tricarboxylic acid cycle (TCA) cycle. Another name is citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. Paper number 504, semester 5. TCA cycle is the most important metabolic pathway for the energy supply of the body. About 65 to 70% of ATP is synthesized in this cycle. TCA cycle essentially involves the oxidation of acetyl-CoA converted into CO2 and H2O. In the glycolytic pathway, the energy captured by the oxidation of glucose. Glucose to pyruvate is limited to no more 2 ATP generated by the substrate level phosphorylation. During aerobic respiration, the catabolic process continues by oxidizing pyruvate to 3CO2 in first step of process employ a multi-enzyme system called pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. It oxidizes and cleaves pyruvate to form one CO2 and 2 carbon molecule acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl-CoA. Now, this acetyl-CoA enter into the TCA cycle, which is known as a citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. Pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA by oxidative decarboxylation. This is an irreversible reaction catalyzed by multi-enzyme complex known as a pyruvate dehydrogenase complex PDH, which is found in only mitochondria. High activity of PDH are found in cardiac muscles and kidney. Enzyme PDH required 5 cofactor or coenzyme, namely TPP, lipoamide, FAD, coenzyme A and NAD+. Now move on TCA cycle. First, formation of citrate. How to form citrate? In the first sem, citric acid cycle is condensation of 2 carbon atom acetyl-CoA with a 4 carbon atom of oxaloacetate molecule to form 6 carbon atom molecule citrate. This reaction is irreversible. Acetyl-CoA gives acetyl grow up to oxaloacetate to form a citrate molecule. CoA is released. The catalyzing enzyme is citrate synthetase. Second reaction is dehydration. Citrate undergo dehydration under the catalytic action of the enzyme aconitase to form cis-aconitate. Now hydration 1. Cis-aconitate is rehydrated to isocitrate again under the effluence of aconitase. Dehydrogenation first. Isocitrate undergo dehydration in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase to form oxalosuccinate. Pair of hydrogen atom are accepted by NAD plus to form NADH plus H plus. Now decarboxylation first. Oxalosuccinate undergo decarboxylation to form alpha ketoglutarate. Once CO2 is removed, the reaction is catalyzed by carboxylase or isocitrate dehydrogenase. Now, dehydrogenase 2 and decarboxylation 2. Alpha ketoglutarate undergoes stimulation, decarboxylation and dehydrogenation and join with the coenzyme A to form succinyl CoA. This reaction is catalyzed by an alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Phosphorylation of ADP. Succinate is released from the succinyl CoA under the catalytic action of succinic thiokinase. CoA is released in this reaction. The reaction required GDP. In the presence of inorganic phosphate, GDP undergoes phosphorylation to form either GTP. In the TCA cycle, this is only example of generation of high energy phosphate at the substrate level phosphorylation. ATP may be formed from either GDP by means of phosphokinase. Now, dehydration 3. Succinate undergo dehydration under the catalytic action of succinate dehydrogenase to form fumarate. The pair of hydrogen atom form a transfer directly to flavoprotein FAD without the participation of NAD+, so FADH2 is produced. Now, hydration 2. Fumarate is hydrated to form malate by reaction is catalytic by the enzyme fumarase. And last, dehydrogenation 4. In the final reaction, malate is transferred into the oxaloacetate, which is thus regenerate. The catalytic enzyme is malate dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenation takes place during the process NAD plus accept the hydrogen atom to form NAD plus H plus. In short, pyruvate converted into acetyl CoA. Here CO2 is released and NAD plus converted into NADH plus H plus. This acetyl CoA converted into citrate. This is a 6-carbon molecule. Here CO from acetyl CoA is released. Now citrate converted into isocitrate. Isocitrate converted into alpha ketoglutarate. Here CO2 is removed and NAD plus converted into NADH plus H plus. Now, alpha ketoglutarate converted into succinyl CoA. This succinyl CoA is a 5-carbon molecule. Here, last carbon of alpha ketoglutarate converted into CO2 and this CO2 is released from this cycle. NAD plus converted into NADH plus H plus. Succinyl CoA now converted into succinate. Here, CoA from the succinyl is removed and GDP converted into GTP in a form of energy. Succinate converted into fumarate and FAD converted into FADH2. Fumarate is converted into malate. Here H2O is added. Now malate, these succinate, fumarate and malate are a 4-carbon molecules having a 4-carbon molecules. Malate now converted into oxaloacetate. Here NAD plus converted into NADH plus H plus and oxaloacetate continue with this TCA cycle. This is also 4-carbon molecule. Now these different steps are first, pyruvate is decarboxylated. 2 remaining carbon are attached to the coenzyme A by the high energy bond. The energy in the bond will be used to derive the next reaction. Acetyl-CoA is a precursor metabolite. Now the second, the 2 remaining carbon of pyruvate are combined with the 4 carbon of oxaloacetate. These create the 6 carbon molecule citrate. Citrate changes the arrangement of atom to form isocitric acid. In the fourth reaction, another carbon is removed, creating 5 carbon precursor metabolite alpha ketoglutarate. In the process, NADH is formed. In the fifth reaction, the last carbon of glucose is released as a carbon dioxide. More NADH is formed to use ETS, and the 4 carbon precursor metabolite succinyl-CoA is formed. In the sixth reaction, coenzyme is cleaved from the high energy molecule succinyl-CoA. The energy released is used to form GTP, which can be used to make ATP or used directly to supply energy to process such as translation. In the seventh reaction, succinate is oxidized to fumarate. FAD serve as electron acceptor. In the next reaction, fumarate react with the H2O to form malate. In next reaction, malate is oxidized, regenerate more NADH and regenerating oxaloacetate, which is needed to accept the 2 carbon form acetyl-CoA and continue the cycle. Oxaloacetate is the also precursor metabolite. Through this cycle of 2 round of this TCA cycle, 6 NADH, 2 FADH and 2 GTP are generated. After oxidative phosphorylation, this is 24 GTP, as such as glucose generated 38 GTP total. Now, what is substrate level phosphorylation? Metabolic reaction that result in the formation of ATP or GTP by convert a higher energy substrate into lower energy product and using some of the released chemical energy, the Gibbs free energy. ATP is formed when an enzyme transfer a phosphate group from the substrate to ATP. Now this is the TCA cycle. Thank you.